how about we want to add some additional icons to the top of my bar? You know, I use all these different things all the time, but I hate going through all these little menus and hunting them down. Well, over here, you can click on the Customize Access Toolbar icon. And in this first part of the menu, they've got all these common things that you might use all the time, like new, open, save, etc. So what you can do is you can add them by just check marking them, things that you commonly use, and put them into your quick menu. If you don't see something, you're like, oh, man, I really want this page layout. Well, you can come in here to the More Commands, and you can look through the list of available options. And here's Page Setup. We can add that to the list. Or we can keep looking and find, I want the sum icon, because I use that all the time. Any of those things you can just add to your list, and they put them up here for you. You're like, oh, I really am not using save. I can just uncheck it and it disappears. But the sum one is not there. So I go back to More Commands and I can get rid of sum. I really don't need that anymore. We can remove everything. And now we just back down to nothing. And then you can go back and make whatever changes you want to your quick access bar.